Welcome back to Asi the Hot. Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi and our Ugbonge visitor, Oga Ubong King, today inside studio. And we discuss security inside Obodo, Nigeria. We carry two parts come. We start with the threat of Fulani herdsmen inside Obodo, Nigeria. And now we go enter one when we say it they affect everybody inside Obodo, Nigeria. The one we get to do with the rising spate of kidnappings when they call it like say kidnapping on a turn to better work or what people they call lucrative business. Oga Ubong King now, make we step this particular thing up to a particular level. Some of us in Nigeria go talk say, kidnap, how much I get? I know be big man now. Okay, you don't talk say what you are. What do you, I know Kuku get money. I know they vibe for any political office. Maybe they kidnap them. They go, nothing concern me. I'm covered with the blood. I go like make you break this particular issue down. Make everybody understand. Say this threat not be just exclusive to one particular kind of people, and everybody feel for victim.
At least you go know how to go take that same issue. They know how to take hold yourself. They very conscious where they put a go.
You know, say before when they see Whitey, then they price Whitey at 7 mic.
7 mic.
Yes, Whitey they pick 7 million. Yeah. So because of that now, to catch Whitey done they hard.
Even Whitey self don't
they sensitive.
It will speak pidgin for you if you come near him.
Whitey don't get sense now. So a lot of people will get Whitey like that. They don't harden them. Exactly. So you know go see.
Oga Ubong King, you know go vex. Talking about Whitey, we get one Whitey where they call us all the way from Amsterdam. Whitey, all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby from Amsterdam. Good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Shukudi, you want me to kidnap me, Abi?
No.
You say black Whitey, now we call you.
All not the same thing. All not the way I say kidnap person, now you are the see so. Now you go say black Whitey. You want me to kidnap me? I beg you. Put me for here there.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
The topic here, I really interested. Mr. King, I like your analysis, but you are not be solely to analysis to define the problem, not be the solution, and to find solution to the problem, you know, that we need to. Aspect of the Fulani herdsmen, I need the police to share these people there. For the weapons, the ones they carry, are they registered? The weapons, when they carry? Now, first of all, the question: are they registered? Then they are like, what do you say? They need to be those people. They need to be registered in somewhere. When they say need to be controlled, you understand me? And again, need to mind where the waka they enter, like to carry cow enter people farm. That's a very big. Something more to say will cause wahala. That's whether they work hard to grow crops. Then somebody got carrying nama enter the place, can't destroy the thing. You go there angry now. You understand me now? So those are the things that when they inside they say they need to have a way to control them. When they say they get to know how to work out. Even if they go into community, they go meet the community people, the Fulani herdsmen. They go meet the community people to find a way to negotiate talks. You understand me? To avoid the problem. Then the aspect of kidnapping. Now our big men, Nigerian politicians, that make all those people become who they be today. So because they behind those people there. At the beginning, they use people. From there now, these people begin to get
extend them to other.
They begin to initiate others. So that is how Nigeria problem starts with this kidnapping. So that's my contribution.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for your contribution. We get Oga God bless. He mean they wait on top of our telephone line patiently from Warri. Oga God bless. Welcome to Asi the Hot.
My brother,
good morning, Oga God bless.
Well, we settle down. I don't want to leave us. Hello.
We dey hear you, Oga God bless. Continue.
I just want to leave us. This time we look for now.
No, we don't get strong on top of GoTV and every other place where you go fit watch us free of charge.
Okay. Good morning, my brother there.
Oga, hello.
Good morning, Mr. King.
I hail.
This issue, man. The issue of this incident for this country. You say they take child love job. For other areas like that case, though Anambra or other area, we're not very used to this cow issue. We know it's still our people. Nobody cares to talk. The president kept on.
Hey, Oga, God bless. Like say, waiting network do it. It very, very bad. But you go try call us back, make your contribution and make the full Nigeria hear you. We appreciate say you don't join us back on top of GoTV and on top of Wazobia Max. We get Charity. Charity, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Charity, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Charity.
How are they?
We're fine.
Well done.
Thank you.
So, concerning the issue that they discuss. Hello?
Continue.
Concerning the issue that they discuss, a very sensitive issue. I want to talk about the kidnapping of a thing. You know, many people, they believe, say, like the other guy I called from whether Abuja also, he's saying that because no job. I want Nigeria to change their mentality when it comes to kidnap. Everybody believes there's no job. That is why they are going into it. I want to tell you it's a big lie. Because even people that are really into it, there are people that have money. There are people that are well to do. Even the guys they are using, they are not from poor home. So people will say, all these Agbero people, they will just go there, no money, they will easily lie. They are very nailing people they are using. Go and check them out. They have something they are doing. Let me tell you, when you are a thief, you will always be a thief. When you take a pig to the river and bait the pig, if he come back, if he see potopoto, he will see enter.
It's there in nature.
So I want us to change that orientation that because there is no job, let them go and do hard work. If actually it's because there is no job, that is why they are kidnapping. So by the time Nigeria will keep on saying that no job, they happy, they do more. They say they don't know say that because no job, that's why they do easy. Well, that's not being maker. Because this issue of kidnapping, no, even that man where they talk for television, you don't change anything concerning him. That's just what they talk. All these security experts, analysts, for their own is just to be talking. Even the government, there's nothing they can do about it. The only solution about this kidnapping is just prayer.
Hey!
What no man can do is
only God can do it. Madam Charity, thank you very much for your important contribution.
If we can believe that, we'll discover that all these issues will change one day.
Very true. Madam Charity,
thank you very much, Madam Charity.
Thank you very much. But it go good make we emphasize, say God don't give us the sense to do wetin dey right and solve our problems.
To do we right.
Get Oga Okay, they call us all the way from Calabar. Oga Okay, thank you for your patience. Welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwude.
Good morning, Oga Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkove. Our guest in the studio, Mr. Wang, you're welcome to the studio.
Good day, sir.
Make a trip more small.
Okay.
It's here for issue of this kidnapper of a thing.
Calabar.
The thing don't rise, don't too much for Nigeria. And make a note of more especially here what I'm saying, Calabar. This thing not been there, but as I'm talking to you now, and every day hearing. We just say they don't kidnap this person. We just say they don't kidnap this person. My brothers, make I tell on one thing. Number one, we say the security agencies, they know the truth right. Yeah? Because you go report matter, say, see what thing they happen for social place. See what thing just happened in 5 minutes ago. Before you go see them come, it will take like 1 hour before you see them. Which is not proper. And on the other way around, for we to keep ourselves from these people, maybe all the time you go they not us shoot. Maybe all the time you go they drive the exotic cars. You also they secure yourself. Because you know believe say our security agency go secure 24 hours in a day in your own home. No. And again, when they talk to no job now because of job, now I make people they kidnap. No, some of all these kidnappers are illiterate. Some of all these kidnappers can't even write their name. Some of all these kidnappers are touts. And the other on another way around also we say these kidnappers get rich people, they get men where they back them up, where they sponsor them, where they push them, where they tell them, say, see, this is what you do. You are my voice. Thank you. May God continue to bless Nigeria.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your important contribution. And every time when you call your talk finish, you always use prayer to support them. We really appreciate this talk when you talk. Oga Ubong, people identify some kind of important things wey be say I notice as you dey write down, you don see say the problem, especially when e get to do with kidnapping. Even Madam Charity, you don reach the level wey be say she doesn't trust anybody now. She say it is only my God
that will
protect me. But we dey talk am say God don give us the sense to do wetin dey right and to protect ourselves. We go like make we just use experience address these particular problems.
Okay. First of all, I thank everybody who comment. Let me first address Mr. Bobby's case concerning the headsmen on the
issue of licensing of guns.
Not even licensing, availability of arms. You know, first of all, our borders too open and too porous. So because of that, it is easy for a lot of illegal proliferation of arms. Now, what should happen is that right now we cannot just stop it in one day. Now, for anybody where they catch, make them trace back. Okay, how did you get this thing? And trace it backwards. You will find out say no be only one been coming at the same time. Okay, who be the source? Will give you this thing. And the agencies, especially SSS, they try. But the things we don't enter don't plenty. So to walk backwards now process, not be one day. Now, he can't talk about the police support. Police support, yes, but it's a community issue. Yes, because everybody now, human being, they live for somewhere. If headsmen, they come from Mile 2, they come Oshodi, you go first year for that side now. So if the guys with the Mile 2 see the headsmen, they're supposed to call the emergency number. And the emergency number is to be agreed upon by the local government chairman and their committee, the state security agencies, and also the police. So that if there's a call that Yawa don't boss for that side, make them respond to that thing. Then from there, by the time they see response there, it will reduce the activities where they come that way. Now, my Oga been talk say, Godbert been talk say, things don't happen for Edo, for Delta. It's still the same thing. The government has to sit down and take practical effort to they call the local government chairman, call the council of chiefs, you know, call stakeholders, say, look, this is what we want done. We need to protect our community. If agro done the boss for your side, you don't they say men, make we intimate the CP and the state director SSS. Then from there, they will have to respond. Now, when the governors take responsibility of that, it becomes easy. How something happen for Agatu where people just they keep quiet now? Now, Charity.
Oga Ubon King, I know say you don't day on a roll as you the answer am now, but we would like take this call to use and lock our telephone so that will give you opportunity to finish your talk. We get Oga Chuks. Oga Chuks, they call us back from Ikorodu. Oga Chuks, welcome back to As E Dey Hot.
Oga Chukuri, Oga Nkobi.
Yeah, Oga Chuks.
You do well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now, you hear me now?
We hear you loud and clearly.
Okay. Our Oga for center, I greet you too.
Hello.
One thing I want to talk for this matter be saying, you know, when you start this matter, you say then they use money to buy cows, take do all the things that they do, especially the Fulani herdsmen. The same farm where they destroy, the farm no come down from heaven. No. Now money they took cultivate those farms.
Yes.
You understand? So now these people be saying that they take law into their hands. Because whenever we get one constitution or one kind of law, these people they cause menace, a lot of menace for this country. A lot of trouble. And as such, if government no handle these people well, that's what they're going to kill the group. Because what they made me talk and they say, these people they don't fear anybody. By the time you call Willie and say, oh, they destroy my farm. This thing don't happen for Delta, Edo, and so many places. And thanks be to God, I'm from Delta and from that side. I see how these people are furious. These people are red. These people are angry when you even go near their cow. Now, but they know that they're angry if they go to person farm, go they destroy. So what I want to talk for this matter is say, make government put one cogent punishment when we say go handle these people. If not, this thing will continue like this.
Oga Chuks.
On the issue of
Oga Chuks, thank you very much for your important contribution. We know say you get plenty things to talk about. But based on say time no really there, and we go like make our Ogbonge visitor wrap up everything we dey discuss. We go like making just finish from all the points when we say don't note down.
Okay, Oga Chuks, that one where you talk is spot on, especially the government intervention. They need to take serious policy and say, look, if you are grazing, if you catch person with nama for this side, report back, and that person will face different levels of punishment depending on the kind of wahala where it can cause for that area.
Exactly.
Now, so the other area where it comes to this kidnap, Madam Charity, me too, I love God though. But you know, sometimes they say make people use their brain and give God rest. So a lot of times, if you not show yourself, nobody go see you.
True.
And right now, because the kidnapping technique don't change, no be like as it before.
Yes.
I tell you, say they pick Whitey. Yes. Whitey now to get Whitey don't hard. So they now done they pick local people. And there are different types of kidnap. The basic one where we say you go pick somebody just for cash. Now, they get the high net worth own. They go look the person, say this man get money. So they go study the man, get intelligence on the man. They go even buy in staff, in steward. Say how the man, they go say, if you arrange this deal, we go give you 1 million naira. So he no say, okay, 1 million naira, say that now reach this. Say, okay, they go out by 6 a.m. He go just give that information. He no know what's be the ultimate plan. Because those people don't know saying go Waka this side by 6 a.m. They go wait for him by 5:40. So by 5:40, when Oga one pass now, they go Wele Oga, pick Oga. Now by that time now Oga go down drop maybe like 20 mic, they will give this by 1 million. It don't make money, they don't recruit them now. Once you don't touch blood money, you don't touch them. Now Tiger kidnap now another one. Tiger kidnap they say they go pick person here, but they go tell his sister make him go do something, or his brother make go do something. They don't need money, they just need you to go and do something. That is Tiger kidnap. Another one now express kidnap. Now the one where they worry me now. We say okay, at the end of the day, maybe by like 6 p.m. when boys don't close from work, say maybe they enter bus or go enter cab. Now it's done the popular for Abuja now. Girl, women go enter car now. As they enter car, they move now. The driver go remove knife or go dispossess them. Yes, now express kidnap just to collect maybe 20,000, 100,000. They go carry you go ATM. Now your face go show for the ATM. You go draw the 100K or the 150K. You go give them. Then they go pick like 3 people. Now buy one, get one free. Now express kidnap. Virtual kidnap now another one. Virtual kidnap where we say they no say you don't go into area where no network or your phone don't lost. They go call your family. Tell them, say, this man, you need 100,000 or 200,000 naira now, otherwise you no go release out. You go call your family member, the person, the thing, they off. You go call, they fear, they panic, say you have 1 hour. So quickly now, you won't come do this one now, and then pay. Bride kidnap now another one. Where we say go carry woman.
Oga, you know why I invest?
In fact,
I invest because say if we look our time now, it be like say time don't finish. But the thing is still full your body to the talk. I know you go promise Nigerians when they file say if we extend invitation, I know say this
must.
This particular invitation we extend give you. They don't born twins before you accept this one. But you go promise Nigerians today say if we extend invitation, come give us all this information. We get to this
particular issue. Not get option. He go say yes to that.
Make it promise.
Yes.
You go promise Nigerians.
No, Ogobong, no, not before this one though. Ogobong, tell Nigerians say you go come back.
Nigeria, I go come back. I will. I am happy to be in Nigeria, and now we go solve this problem ourselves.
Yes, now we want here.
We go solve this problem ourselves.
We no go talk too much. Our people they talk say Nigeria and our country it no go spoil until we come back again tomorrow with another topic. We go come up plenty smoke to discuss am. Oga Obong King, we appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.